In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a professional looking t-shirt mockup for your design using mockup mark. And the best part is it's completely free. To creating a mockup, you need to go to this website. Click this button, get it started free. No sign up request. They have a paid plan also. You can check if you like. So I'm click here, free mockups. Now we need to upload our artwork, which means our t-shirt design. Design should be a PNG format. I'm gonna select this one. You can zoom it or zoom out or make the right position. After you've done correctly, click submit button. Within a few seconds, you see my t-shirt art filled with all the mockup. As I told you, some of the mockup you can change the colors. For example, I'm changing this to yellow color. Now you can see yellow color t-shirts with my t-shirt art. This all art is free. So click in download button. Now you see our art already downloaded. So this is our mockup. So I'm gonna zoom it. It's pretty good. Good thing is there are no watermark. Mockup mark providing bunch of services and the facilities. You can check this all. Now you know how to create free mockup. If you think this video helpful for you, click the like button and subscribe our channel. If you have a doubt, leave the comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you next video.